Alright, g'day everyone, Matt from Panda Garage here today. It's sort of like a vlog style video. I've got so many things to do at the moment, and I sort of wanted to chuckle this in sort of like a random video because it's a few different things, not one specific topic. So today we're doing a bit of work on the Vectra. We had an issue with it making this huge ticking noise. Turns out the battery has died after only like 2 years, so it's not great, and it was underpowered apparently too. So basically we're getting that fixed. I've got the battery outside, and then we've got Jeep issues as well. The Jeep's now playing up, over revving, brakes are shot. It's got everything going on, so this is going to be a bit all over the joint, but thank you for joining me. This is Panda Garage. Let's get stuck right into it. This is our new battery. So as you can see, the size is pretty big. And you look at this one, it's tiny. This was the wrong size battery for this car. The Vectra is a European car, of course, and it takes up a lot of space, so needs a lot of power, and this battery just wasn't cutting it. So we're going to pull this out. We're going to chuck this one in, and yeah, it should make it much better. Okay, so I've chucked in the new battery. Going to get this started and see what happens. So hopefully it starts up first go. That'll be good. There we go. Just like that. So basically we've still got turn signal. That's what I could do. Oh, this is running rough. Might because it hasn't ran for a little bit. It does feel like it's running a little bit rough though. As I say, it's done 201,000 Ks, so it's getting up there. But yeah, I'll just check a few bits and pieces. I know that this is going to be the car to run around in until I get this Jeep fixed. So at least this is one of my problems fixed. My car's in bits at the moment, the Jeep's in bits, and this was off the road for the battery. So that's one thing off the list at least. So pretty much we've got this sorted now, so I'm going to have a look at the Jeep now, and hopefully we can sort out exactly what's going on with it, because I don't understand what's going on with it at the moment. This sounds like it's pretty meaty still. I might drive this over there, park it outside the house, and then I'll get stuck on this Jeep. I just want this Jeep out of my life. It's so annoying. It's like the Commodore all over again. Okay, so we are trying to work out what is going on with this, because I have no idea at this point. It's making a whole lot of rattling noises. We only just replaced the throttle body only like not even a month ago. So there's a lot of questions to be asked. But first I'm going to test the braking. Apparently the brakes have gone really bad. I just think it's because the brake pads are actually shot. But in terms of the actual motor, I actually don't know why it is running so rough at this point. So we've got to work that out. So as you can tell, it sounds like death right now. So there's a few possibilities it could be. Could be like, I don't know, people said pipe block or something like that, but I have a feeling it's got something to do with the exhaust gases and the sensor that involves that. So I think it's down the back there somewhere. We just got to work out why it's idling so high and why it can't adjust properly. So I'm going to have a bit of a look at this, and hopefully we'll get a solution. In the end, I just don't know. At this point, it's just getting too dark and I can't work out what's going on with this Jeep. The problem is I plug in my computer and it's telling me nothing. It's telling me that it's had a fault at some point, and that it's telling me nothing. Like, it's really giving me nothing. The Jeep's a pain in the ass. I don't like Jeeps very much at all. I think most products that Fiat Chrysler put out are garbage. Just really low end sort of quality, and you can tell the amount of recalls. It's just fact. It's not even like personal opinion. Like, there's proof to back up that they're not very well built cars. So I'm gonna have to work out what I'm gonna do with that car, because it sounds like it might be something to do with the exhaust sort of controlling the pressure, like sort of it's causing something with the idle to go wrong, and it's something I've got to work out at this point. So hopefully I can fix that, but I'm going to have a bit of a look at my little Monaro at the moment. I've got some videos lined up with this coming out soon, so The videos have sort of been a bit jumbled at the moment because I've been sort of mucking around with like putting out videos at different times compared to how like the order they were filmed in. So this video though coming out should be good, hopefully. Returning my Monaro to stock pretty much, so it's not too much really to change out. It's basically all just been bolt-on stuff, so haven't actually affected the car. I've got all the parts hidden up in my roof. Up that whole area is where most of my parts are, so I'm going to get that changed out this week, and I want to fix up the Z. There's like a strut underneath the car that's bent out of shape. We've had a few other parts and that. Some issues I found out that I'd done the wrong thing. So the video that was going to go up this week is actually now been pulled. I'm going to refilm it, and yeah, hopefully it comes out next week. So I'll keep part of the video, edit the part that was wrong, because I don't want anyone following that and doing what I did, because I found out nearly the hard way. I was just very fortunate this car's not on the road a lot, so I could have only imagined if something bad had happened if my wife was driving it, or a friend or family. So that's why, like, sometimes I do some pretty dumb stuff on this channel, but that's one that was just, it's beyond unsafe, and you will see all about that in the video coming up. So thank you all so much for watching. Remember to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, the Panda Garage. Chuck your car up there, or just follow the threads. Chuck up any questions you have. The community on there, I'm sure people would love to have a chat and talk shit. So thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, guys, my name's Matt. This is Panda Garage. Bit of a mess tonight, but we're going to hopefully work this out. So wish me luck. All right, see you guys.